Next up from Touchstream, we have Brenton talking to us about the Virtual Network Operations Center and observability for your OTT workflow. Brenton.
Fantastic. Thanks very much, Ron. I'm Brenton from Touchstream, and I'm going to talk about our VirtualNOC and observability. So basically, Touchstream is a cloud-native OTT monitoring service. Our VirtualNOC is really an OTT operations hub, which provides observability for your OTT workflows. And we do this by combining our own native ABR monitoring, which is primarily for CDNs and origins, and then additionally integrating monitoring data from any external data source. So any other tool that can monitor stuff, we bring it all together. And what that allows you to do is get an end-to-end visualization that shows you exactly how your workflow is performing. Now, what is observability really? Well, it's about the ability to observe when and why errors occur. And this is really important. But to achieve it, you need to make sure you've instrumented everything, you've correlated that data, and you've given it context, so joining it together in a sensible way. Monitoring, why is this important? Because monitoring is basically often just a lot of screens of data, and it's hard to be able to connect it together. And if you need to understand root cause, you need to be able to correlate things together. Now, how we do this is, here's a typical cloud workflow, and here it is end-to-end using the Amazon cloud workflow. We provide an intermediate layer that collects all of that data, and then we combine it into our VirtualNOC. And then from that VirtualNOC, you've got correlated data, launch tools, and analytics and dashboards to help you solve problems. So anyone who knows me, so I can never not do a live demo. So here's a quick look at things, and here is the workflow, and you can see each element is monitored. Now, a lot of this data is coming from Amazon, it's coming via Splunk, coming at the audience end via Mux. And then when you need to look at something, you can launch the external tools. And so, for example, we launch the Mux tools, we look at the real-time data. Won't steal any of Phil's thunder here, so that's just a quick look at that. When you need to dig deep into tools like configuration tools, you can launch Amazon tools and look at the actual configuration, look at internals here, or look at our logs, which we've pushed into Splunk, and look at how the CDN is performing, look at the errors over time, drill in to the Splunk dashboard into these specific errors, and really dig right deep down into your issues. And then when errors occur, you can drill all the way back into the problem, and that's really about looking for the root cause of the problem, the observability piece of that. And if something fails, you can drill straight into it and look at those problems. Like, for example,
no example time. Sorry, no? Brenton.
Okay. Right. Here you go. Thank you.
First live demo of this session. Really, really great to see. Thanks for having the bravery to do that. And what a great overview of what observability is, what it can mean to your business.